Hi! In front of me is Oppo A96, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications from chosen apps on this smartphone. Start by going into settings and choosing notifications and status bar. Now tap on manage notifications and finally select one of your apps from which you want to block notifications from, like Amazon Shopping. Now as you can see, when I click on the sweater, all notifications from this app are blocked. If you wish to enable them, just click on the same sweater. But you can always just tap on one of your apps and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!